Are you looking for the best small kitchen appliances for small kitchens of 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best small kitchen appliances for small kitchens on the market of 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Proctor Silex Durable Mini 1.5. Alexandra Carfioli, who runs the Instagram account Tiny Apartment Kitchen, an ode to her 90 square foot kitchen, loves her Proctor Silex. This is definitely the smallest appliance I own, but it's my go-to, she says. I use it to make sauces, hummus, and dips, and even to finely mince vegetables. This smaller size is perfect so I can make the right amount for 2 people, and maybe some leftovers. And it takes up only half the space of our favorite full-size best-rated food processor. Number 2. Cuisinart Miniprep Plus 3. Former strategist writer Nikita Richardson bakes a lot, so she needed something slightly bigger than the Proctor Silex above. The Cuisinart Miniprep is small enough to keep stored away underneath my sink when I don't need it, she says, but large enough to take on significant tasks like grinding down pecans for my favorite apple honey pecan muffins or making homemade almond butter. Strategist writer Emma Wartzman has also had one for ages and uses it on the regular for pesto, breadcrumbs, dressings, and more. Number 3. AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker. We've written about the AeroPress before, as a great, space-saving way to make coffee. Travel writer Andrew Parks packs his up in his suitcase for trips, and strategist editor Maxine Builder uses one for camping. She is also a fan. It's durable and affordable, he says. It also comes with a travel mug with a lid, suitable for on-the-go morning coffee. Number 4. Baratza Encore Electric Grinder. As we learn it in our story on the best coffee grinders, according to baristas, the best overall coffee grinder is also the most compact at just over a foot tall with a footprint of 5 by 6 inches. As Joanna Lerrerio, general manager at Blue Bottle in Chelsea Market, told us, it's simple to use and super consistent. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet makes perfect smoothies and juices, but I also use it to make great dips, sauces, marinades, and soups, says Carfioli of Tiny Apartment Kitchen. It comes with a few different sized cups and lids for storing in your fridge or carrying on the go. This appliance is the perfect small and versatile appliance to have in your kitchen.